So I'm Chris Taylor, and I'm the CEO of Aquitaine Metals. Aquitaine Metals is a private exploration company which is based in France. We have an office in Vancouver, and we have a wholly owned subsidiary company called Compagnie des Mines Arrédiennes, which is based in France. Well, with the changing geopolitical landscape, there's a number of European countries which are very interested in reactivating some of their high priority mineral assets. So Aquitaine is working in France on what's known as the Limousine Project, and this is a past-producing high-grade gold mine that was in production until 2002. Europe's gone through some serious changes recently, and this is largely because of the geopolitics. There's a lot of concern in Europe that America is becoming a less reliable ally in terms of security guarantees, and there's quite a bit of concern around supply chains on critical materials, and this involves any sort of mining-based industrial product. There's a concern that the supplies may not be available from some of the assets they formerly administered and ran in Africa and other jurisdictions. And now the Europeans have a mandate to produce about at least 10% of their material supply from the geographic territory of Europe. Yeah, the Limousine Project is quite interesting because it's a high-grade gold project. It had traditionally about 1 million ounces produced at about half an ounce per ton, so very high grade. But the accessory sulfide minerals that are with the gold are largely antimony, chalcopyrite, there's galena, and there's basically a whole critical metal suite that occurs as accessory sulfide. So from a future production standpoint, if it does re-enter production, we have the ability with this project potentially to supply some additional critical materials to the French state. So far, Aquitaine has completed about 4,400 meters of drilling of a planned 8,800 meters of drilling this year. And in total, the company's raised over $20 million to support this work. We're going to be issuing some, what I would dare to say would be impressive drill results from drilling in this large gold system at the Limousine Project. We are testing out what looks to be about a 200 strike length kilometer, aggregate strike length and kilometer gold bearing orogenic gold system. There's a number of areas where it's been mined in the past. There's over 900 historical high-grade mining sites from the Gallic era about 2,000 years ago, and recent mining up until the beginning of the 21st century. So there's going to be a number of results that come out for this, and I think the investing public will be quite interested to see the scope and quality of this project.